Guys, it's very strange that the developer of the MetaTrader platform didn't include this indicator in the standard package for their platforms. We're talking about the Trader Dynamic Index Indicator, which excellently shows price reversals, the start and continuation of local trends. But let's have less theory. Come over to my platform. Now I'll show you everything. Guys, the first thing I wanted to say is that you can download this indicator for free in the description below this video. And I'll continue my review. This is how the indicator looks on the price chart. It is located on a separate window and represents a volatility channel. This blue line here is the channel that determines the volatility of the oscillator line. These two lines intersect with each other and show the local small waves of price movement. And we also have a central moving average running through the center of the volatility channel, which shows the average readings of this oscillator from the channel itself. So, how would I trade using this indicator? Firstly, we have the most fundamental signal, the intersection of these two oscillator lines with the main central level of this channel. Here we have a nice intersection. The most important thing is that we have a red line that shows the intersection with the yellow one, right? And it symbolizes the beginning of a trend here. If we are scalping, then our trades can be closed precisely at the touch of the opposite channel. Here the line crossed. We waited until the quotes until this oscillator line reaches the extreme boundary of the channel, and then we lock in the profit here. I'm just telling you this so you can properly understand how to trade with this indicator. For example, here our lines crossed, the red with the yellow, and we wait until the green touches the opposite boundary. We lock in the profit. Yes, just like that. We earned something here, scalped a bit. Next, our lines crossed here. We wait until the green touches the opposite level. Locked in the profit. This is primitive. You need to add certain filters here, but I just want to show you what signals this indicator can give. Or for example, we might have a signal for a reversal. Let's say the oscillator was decreasing, and then the lines crossed each other. Here, the red and the green, after they exited the volatility channel. And our first target is a reversal at this level, the crossing of the two lines. Look how well we did in points. And the secondary target, let's add another line, is the touch of the green line to the extreme boundary. It happened here, that is, we entered here and exited here. This is the second signal. So we trade on the crossing of lines in the center and on reversals at the edges. This is how this indicator works and the signals it provides. Now, if I were in the place of any curious trader who liked these signals, I would add here, experiment with other additional signals, indicators, and try to filter out false trades that this TDI gives. That is, for example, we might have false trades in terms of price reversals at the extreme boundaries. For instance, for example, here we had a reversal. We waited for the lines to cross, but then there was a reverse crossing. That is, in principle, we already have a reason to exit the market because everything went differently than we wanted, not according to our scenario. And this signal could have been filtered out somehow. Perhaps add another oscillator or trade only in the direction of the trend. This is already the task of each trader who is developing a trading strategy. My task is to provide you with good indicators so that you have something to build this strategy from. I mean, an indicator-based strategy